These are some scenes from our hometown, Guji. In my mind, Guji has always been associated with peaceful country roads and rows of green bamboo like this. Today our mom came from Guji to visit us and she's going to teach us how to make some traditional Guji dishes. Today mom is going to show us how to make two dishes, chicken braised with Vietnamese coriander and cassava soup.
Đây là một con gà.
This is Vietnamese coriander. I don't know if you can eat this herb or not. And this is cassava. It has already been washed and cut into pieces. Thai basil to season the soup. This chicken was brought by my mom from Guji. It is really delicious, everyone, and it even has some young eggs inside. First, we need to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. We usually have chicken braised with ginger or lemongrass-and-chili, but chicken braised with Vietnamese coriander is something you don't hear about very often. Peel and clean the shallots. Slice them thinly, and then finely chop the shallots and garlic. Marinate the chicken with shallots, garlic, sugar, and seasoning powder. Add a little fish sauce to give the chicken a richer flavor. Finely chop the Vietnamese coriander. Just chopping it releases such a wonderful aroma. Add the Vietnamese coriander to the chicken and let it marinate together so the flavors can soak in. Now add a little oil to the pot and fry the garlic until fragrant. Add the cut cassava and stir fry it briefly. Pour in some water and cook the cassava soup. I usually eat steamed cassava or a cassava cake, but this is probably my first time having cassava cooked in a soup. Now it's time to cook the chicken. Fry the shallots and garlic until fragrant. Add the chicken and stir well until the meat firms up. The chicken marinated with Vietnamese coriander smells so good. Add a little water to the chicken and let it braise rather than fry it. And here is the grilled beef wrapped in white bitter leaves that mom prepared earlier. Heat some oil in a pan and lightly fry the beef bones. The cassava is almost cooked now, so let's season the soup to taste. Sprinkle some Thai basil over the surface. Now I'll ladle the cassava soup into a bowl. The braised chicken has turned a beautiful golden color. Let's add a little more Vietnamese coriander for extra flavor. Now let's transfer the chicken to a plate with some Vietnamese coriander underneath. Sprinkle some crushed peanuts over the beef wrapped in white betel leaves. And that's it, everyone. We have a delicious and unusual meal filled with the distinctive flavors of Guji. Today we also have another dish that I really love, yellow watermelon. People in Guji also often eat watermelon with their meals, probably because Guji can be quite hot. It's a nutritious meal that is both delicious and beautiful to look at. The yellow watermelon is naturally sweet and refreshing. The cassava soup is pleasantly starchy and has just the right flavor. Cassava can also be considered one of Guji's specialties. Although cassava is grown and eaten in many places in Vietnam, people in Guji have their own special ways of preparing it. The chicken braised with Vietnamese coriander has a unique and wonderful aroma, and it goes really well with rice. The beef wrapped in white betel leaves is a favorite of the kids in our family. In Guji, both the beef and chicken are especially delicious. Now we are getting hungry, so please join us and enjoy the meal.